day 2 of being at Blizzard Bash. Kind of just been chilling at the trailer, walking around, skating around in my Heelys, and talking to drivers, making content for TikTok and Facebook. Let's go. Waiting on Jason Sauer. Where you at, bub? What's your opinion on what you've seen?
I like high octane team. That's probably my favorite.
You think your boyfriend, fiance, is gonna get junked this weekend?
Yeah.
I love it. All you sir, do your thing, just use it up in there, and that will wrap up in dark car. Thank you, bro. You have everything. You got everything.
This is the end of day 2. We're gonna do a hotel room cribs edition. Here we go. Fridge, stove, dishwasher, microwave, couch, TV, fiance, bathroom. Really disappointed that we have a huge shower and no bathtub, because yesterday we stopped and got Mr. Bubbles so that I could take a bubble bath. And Indian Casino, no bathtub.
It was awesome though.
This hotel, no bathtub. But yeah, just the two of us. This big hotel room. Hey, why does this hotel room got a couch and we don't at our house?
Because it's our living room.
So this is the end of day 2. We got our car painted.
Looks awesome.
In the morning we go through inspection. Hopefully we don't have to torch any of the paint off. So hit like, hit subscribe. Tomorrow we'll go through inspection and see how much I gotta cut.